Hey guys, Gun Collector 87 here again. Part 2 of the Charter's Arms repair here. So we've got the cylinder ready to roll. Now, one quick thing is on your little pin here, you got to push that all the way flush, all the way through, so this whole assembly here with the rod will catch and fall into place. Otherwise, your top of your ejector rod will be sitting like that, and you do not want this because this rides back, connects to the back of the frame on the screw, and allows you to remove it. So we're going to finish it out here, and I've already got my crane attached. I'm going to slide it on. Take your spring, slide it into here. And you're going to use a cup side, is going to go in like this. Here we go. That's it. And this is the head piece. It does have a screw. When I took this off of the old rod, I had to actually cut it off. So move your spring a bit so you can get her started. Just thread her on there. And of course it's different color, which is fine. And there it is, guys. This started out to be just a bent ejector rod. No big deal. Unless you lose a part like I did. Then you had to buy it and wait. Function check. Gun is empty. A little stiff. We'll have to get some. Take it back apart probably and clean it. I still got a cylinder spring here, the main one. I'm just going to keep that. That's brand new. I think everything else is okay. Shouldn't have no problems out of it again. My grips are a little wonky, so I ain't got the best screwdriver here, but we'll see what we can do here. I don't think they're moving none. It might be. Feels like it's really tense, really tight under it. That's a lot of pressure to put on it. It just shouldn't take. No, it's not moving. But it's just no big deal. You take that screw out, grip comes apart. You guys know that. Alrighty guys, that's the end of the repair on this. Glad you guys watched the video. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share and comment on this. Let me know if you like it. If you need me to do it again, holler at me. Leave a comment. I'll always check them and always respond to you guys. Appreciate you guys supporting this. We appreciate you. Thank you much. This is Gun Collector 87 signing off. We'll talk at you later.